Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Miss Leila Hassan and this video belongs to the solution of question number 4 of supplemental material which you all are studying. In the video prior, I have given you the explanation regarding the question which states the set builder form, and we have converted it into tabular form and also drawn the Venn diagram. Now let's start with the solution of the question. So the first part says that you have to give a complement or a prime the elements which are not the elements of set A. So first of all, recognize what are the elements of set A. 8, 10, 12, 14, rest. So with the help of Venn diagram and the shading of Venn diagram, we can do this easily. Now this is actually, I am doing the shading simultaneously for you so that the shading might help you, and of course as shading is in your syllabus, so it will help you, so it will cover everything and your concepts will be, so see, I have not shaded this part, right? So besides this, everything belongs to A complement or A prime. So see what are the elements of A prime? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but not 8. Okay. 9, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17 and 18 and 19 are also not A, right? I hope we are clear. Now let's belong to B prime. So the elements of B are these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all the elements that are present in the B in subset B. So which means what is not B is actually B complement of B prime. Let's also shade this. I have actually pre-drawn all of the sets, so it will help us more to make a quick video. Actually we'll shade this part as well, because set A does not belongs to B, yes, so this will also cover, but as there is no element over here, so we are not including. जब elements ही नहीं है इस part में, तो जाहिर सी बातें कहाँ से आएंगी, which means these two elements are the answer of 18, 19 are the answer of B complement or B prime. Now let's see this. A union B. A union B, let's write down the this is done mathematically, right? And this is actually the Venn diagram. So let's see first mathematically and clear our concept mathematically. And this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. 18 and 19 are not the part of A and D. We need to make this clear in our mind. So what is A? What is A union B? A union B is very easy. That is, of course, 2, 3, 4. A union B. So we can also write. अच्छा चलिए पहले आपको इजी तरीका बता दें. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, sorry. 18 and 19 are not the part. ठीक है? Right? 2 till 17, or you can just write B as well. क्योंकि these all elements belong to B. है ना? Right? So how are we going to shade it? you can write down the elements, or you can also write down just the name of the set. Both answers are correct. ठीक है? I know my shading is not that good. I'm just holding the camera as well as I'm shading simultaneously, so kindly pardon me. Okay, now that's the shading of the Venn diagram. A union B. Union means to include all of the elements that are present in both of the sets, because we in grade 7 are only dealing with 2 sets as per our syllabus. Now A intersection B, right? So first write down the elements of A. Let's do it first mathematically, right? Intersection B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again and again we are going to write that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now what are the common elements? The common elements are 8, 10, 12 and 14. That's your answer. And how are we going to shade this? We are going to shade this part. Good. That's the shading. So we are doing shading simultaneously. Okay. I have actually it was the requirement to only do the alternative parts, but I felt a need that we should do these parts so that the concepts will be clear to you, and then from part 7 onwards we'll be doing it alternatively. Okay, now part 5 says that A union B complement. First, what we should do, A union B complement. First of all, what we should do, right? हमने करना क्या है, पहले हम लोग A union B, right? A union B first, ठीक है ना? पहले आप A union B निकाल लें, और फिर उसके बाद आप उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी निकाल सकते हैं आराम से, ठीक है ना? So what is the A union B? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, right? Now amongst the universal set we have got 18 and 19 as well. Yes, as A union B is all of these elements, so what is not A union B? It will be 18 and 19. Therefore, this is our answer. And how are we going to shade that? We are only going to shade what is not A union B. Right? Complements mean कि जो वो नहीं है. But it is a part of the universal set. Right? So we are not going to shade the circles. This is how the shading of part B is being done. Are we good with this? Now let's move forward to part 6. Part 6 says that A intersection B, and that's the complement. So A is 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, and it is B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is A union B? A intersection B. I'm so sorry with that. It is 8, 10, 12 and 14. Now what is not? What is not? Yes. So we are going to write rest of the elements amongst the universal set which does not include 8, 10, 12 and 14, which is of course 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not 8, okay, not 8, because A belongs to A intersection B. ठीक है ना. 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 as well. ठीक है ना. And how are we going to shade that? 6. And how are we going to shade that? We're going to shade everything except this A intersection of B. ठीक है ना. चूँकि there is no element inside over here in this part, right, in the crescent moon of A, so obviously we're not. This is how we are shading. I'm shading afterwards doing mathematically because this red color is hiding the numbers and the elements of our subsets. That's why I'm shading it later on. I'm sure the things are going good with you, right? Now let's move on to part 7. Now part 7 says that A union B complement, right? So let's write down what is A. A is not 6, yeah, 14. Okay, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and B complement, as we have already find out B complement. See from here, B complement is 18 and 19 from our parts earlier. It is it is 18 and 19. So let's write down the answer. A union B complement. It is 8, 10, 12, 14, 18 and 19. And how are we going to shade that? We are going to shade everything, this part as well, because this belongs to A, right? ठीक है ना. और ये वाला part भी होगा, right? We are shading this part because this is a part of A. Okay. And then we are going to shade it. I hope things are going very clear to all of you, and your concepts are now being crystal clear. Okay. Now I'm doing the parts alternatively. Okay. And it dropped off. Okay, now it says that A complement union B complement. What is A complement? We already have extracted out A complement, right? A complement के हमने already elements निकाल लिए थे, B complement के भी हमने पहले elements निकाल लिए थे. So we are going to do the union of these two. What is not? Okay, what is not in A and what is not in B? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13. We are not going to include all of these now because they include A. 13, 15, 16, 17, and 18 and 19 are the repetitive elements, so we are just going to write that once. Okay. And how are we going to shade it? We are not going to shade A entirely, है right? A entirely. Do the things mathematically and the things will go very clear. I'm using a crayon because crayons do work very quickly. Now I'm doing this was our part 9. Okay, And now we are doing part 11. Now let's do part 11. Part 11 says that A union A complement. So A is this